Hey, our group was Fahad's Finest, and this is a walkthrough of our project, GigRadar, an app for finding and sharing events. Let me first take you through the Browse First feature. Here we are taken to only the Explore tab, and you can see all the events on the platform, as well as click on the details of any one event card. And by clicking on anything else while on the Browse First mode will require you to either log in or create an account. Here is the account creation page, a pretty standard setup, but I do have an account for us as we do this walkthrough. As we log in, here we are taken to the following tab on the home page. On the following tab are events that come from either users that we follow or events that we have specifically clicked on going to. As you can see, this event isn't, I don't have this toggled as going to, but rather I have followed this user. Also on the details page, we can go to a comment section. Here we can make comments, we can like comments, we can reply to comments, as well as at any user. If we go to an event, we can also set up a reminder by clicking on the bell icon on the upper right. We'll set it before, let's say, an hour before the event. Click on set. And if we go to the notifications page, we can see that it is now populated here with the reminder that we just made. We can also route to that event. And then also we have mentions on the notifications page. These are just when other users either reply to your comment or at your username in a comment. Next, let me show you the search page. Here in the search bar, we can query all the events on the platform. So if I type in party, there's that keyword search or keyword match. And then you can also search through, I believe, tags. As you can see, there's that tag for what we searched. And then here is the filters page for things like distance, price, a date range, and tags, or genre tags rather. Click apply in the bottom right, and that will query the events on top of what we have already typed in the search bar. And in our search page, we also have a map view. We click on the centering icon in the top right. It'll take us to our GPS location. And then all these pins are just events placed on the map based on the address or the location provided. And there's a little preview. If we click on any one of them, we can route to the details page for that event. And then we can also query in the search bar while on the map view as well. So if I type in party, those two events should only show up. And then the filters page also works in the map view as well. Next, I will show you the profile page. Here we have our username, our profile picture, a banner, and a bio. This can all be edited in the upper left corner with the pencil icon. In the bottom, we have a list view and a calendar view. A list view only contains the events that we have created. And then a calendar view has the events we created, as well as events that we have specifically clicked on going to. And here's what that card or clicking on that date looks like. The genres page from our profile are just the genres that we have toggled, or that we have liked, and this affects kind of the ordering of the Explore tab on the home page. And then here we can add more genres. The bands tab are just the users that we follow that have either the band or venue designation. So as you can see, this user here is designated as a band, and to explain more what I'm talking about, we can go to the settings page on the upper right from profile, and then we can go to set account type, and you're either a venue or band or a default user. Also on the settings page, you can change the email that is associated with your account, change the password, you can sign out, and you can delete your account. Lastly, on GigRadar, we can go to, or two things actually. We have our create post process, and then you can also save kind of that draft before having to post it, and you can access them on a draft menu. And then lastly, we have a direct messaging system, and here you can see just a thread. You can share events, and you can also see or be in a group chat. And yeah, that is GigRadar. Thank you.